This is a 31-piece drill bead set from Bovidix. The set comes with a center punch that's made of chrome molybdenum steel and a step drill with sizes from 3/16 to 7/8 of an inch. There are 29 drill beads that's made of high-speed steel with titanium nitrate coating. The sizes are from 1/16 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch. The metric set also comes with a punch that's made of chrome molybdenum steel. It's a different version of a punch. The sizes for a metric set are from 1 mm to 13 mm. Drills don't fall off from the box, and of course it comes with a metal box, multi-box, size medium for inch set and size small for metric set. Also, Bovidix has high-speed steel drill beads Pro, high-speed steel drill beads with titanium nitrate coating, and drill beads of M35 grade high-speed steel with 5% cobalt alloy.